Thanks everyone for joining me. This is a first in a series of micro homesteading maintenance basics. I'm just going to take you through tiny things that you can do around your home to make it run smoother. The first thing that we're going to tackle, the HVAC system. Clean air is extremely important. Okay, so the first thing you should know is I'm not going to have you climbing in your HVAC system or fixing anything mechanical. This is about basic things you can do yourself. And the very first and most important one is keep your intakes clean. Those intake grates, everything that goes through there is going to gunk up your system. So one, keep them clean, and two, never remove your filter and run your HVAC system for a period of time without it in there. You're just going to suck debris and dust into your HVAC system, and it is going to affect how it runs.
Okay, so maybe this wasn't the best for that. It's also now on my artwork that I just got. It's hiding the, I just let it sit on the thermostat there. Is the upstairs vent. As you can see, I just put in the new filter. It's a MERV 13, so it's super thick. And I keep the size of the interior.
This is very important because the outside of our vent measures 10 by 20, which is a standard size for filters. Unfortunately, none of those fit because the interior is 8 by 20, an odd size. That brings us to number 2 on the list of things you'll need to maintain your HVAC system, and that's a dry erase marker and a Sharpie marker. You can use dry erase on the outside of your vent or Sharpie on the inside. I like to keep dry erase markers around the home. I leave messages on my bathroom mirror. I even write on the kitchen fridge when I need to restock things.
Upstairs is 8 by 20, which is really annoying. There's no one really selling that size on Amazon, so you have to get the 10 by 20s and cut them down no matter what. Anyway, this one has a different kind of grate on it, so it stays cleaner, and inside is a reusable filter, which we're about to take out and replace with another type of reusable filter that I think will work better.
The third thing you're going to need for your HVAC system is a really good filter. Over the course of the next few videos, I am going to be taking you through disposable filters and 2 different types of reusable ones. That's all I have for you folks this week, but stay tuned because I will be going into the 3 different types of filters in the next video. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, and as always, keep growing.